Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the core prerequisites, a working network and the latest Instagram app. Once done, clear the app cache or offload the app to remove corrupt temporary files. Next, sign out of Instagram and sign back in to refresh your session tokens. If you can, try logging in on a browser now. This immediately separates device issues from account problems. These first actions eliminate most simple causes and let you focus on account or content faults if the page still shows unavailable. Now you dig deeper into account and content reasons. Use another account or an incognito browser to see whether the profile loads. This tells you if it's a visibility or account removal issue. Inspect for age, location, or content restrictions that Instagram applies automatically and verify whether the username changed. Also, switch devices and networks. If the profile appears elsewhere, your IP or device may be blocked. Make notes of any error messages, then prepare to escalate or request review if rules were applied. Finish by taking decisive corrective steps. Reinstall Instagram, log in, and use settings help report a problem with screenshots and exact wording of the error. If the account was disabled, submit a request review and attach proof of identity or ownership when asked. Make sure to document timestamps and any recent changes you made. If nothing changes, wait 24 to 72 hours for staff review or propagation. Troubleshooting tip. If the page remains unavailable after all this, it's often a removal or block. Try accessing from a different account to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.